Whoever's at the bottom.
Okay, are you the bottom? Because I don't see you.
No, you're way below me. So.
Still?
Yep.
Okay, well we're dropping. There's a group of stuff down right below us, and there's 4 or 5 of them down there.
Oh yeah, the trailer. Okay.
Trailer, that's the word.
Is you? Oh God, that is you.
Yes, don't shoot me. Now you've attracted people.
I almost lit you up.
We are a horrible team.
Well, you're in the trailer, and so I couldn't see your name.
It's okay. I appreciate your enthusiasm.
A little jumpy, that's all.
Saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I was totally gonna change the song,
Here, over
but
here.
the song is really empowering. Oh, every mile will be worth my while. Fit for gaming, hi, how are you? Anywhere to find where I belong. I could have totally played Hercules.
Just a small sex change.
Yeah. Nobody
I'm
has
big.
to know. No one sees parts in that movie.
Yeah, but isn't he like a beefcake?
Yeah. I'm a beefcake. I have a kid, yes. My baby goat is the shit. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Someone was killed by the environment, and there's not even gas out yet. How the hell did he die? He cut his arm on a tree or something? Got an owie. Stand
Oh.
California with my toes in the sand.
Nobody firing.
It's okay. Let him use all his bullets.
Alright, I'm going out.
Okay, I'm behind you.
In the forest right here.
One house, no shirt, no blouse.
Got him. Got him. I don't think the other guy's down in the woods over here.
You love to taste, yeah. Oh, he found me.
Where's he at?
He is to the southeast.
See him.
Smackaho! Hi, Smack! I was wondering where you were.
If you're hurt, you need to pat.
I'm in the middle of a battle. Got him!
Woohoo! Are you hurt?
Alright. I don't know, but yes.
Yeah, you're bleeding.
Yeah, I'm using the kit. Got it.
We actually won a battle.
It's like I know how to play and stuff. Smack, thank you so much for the resub, dude. What's up? I'm still moderately bleeding. Can we stop so I can do this?
Yeah, let's go back to these trees. Let's go back to these trees. Ecstasy bleed. Alright, how's your health? Are you okay?
I'm feeling pretty good today. Wait, hold on. I'm at 50%. I'm a difficult teammate, I know. Someone from my stream is in here. His name is Ron the Cat, and he's running around meowing, and that is fantastic. Who is it? What?
Ron the cat. Weird. Here, duck down behind his walls. Although he's gonna know it because I'm sure he's watching the stream. Should we shoot him or is he gonna?
Don't shoot us, Mal! Mal, don't shoot us, Mal!
I don't know, Ron's kind of an asshole.
It's two.
No! We're friendly people! We're friendly people!
Okay, friendly people, I see you.
Thank you, Ron.
I'm not an asshole.
Thank you, Ron. But who are you?
Mal, I love you. Thanks.
Meow.
Can I come? Can I come?
I suppose. This
He
only
still has
has
his hands up. I can see his arm sticking out the side of the Jeep.
Ow! Morgan!
Ow! My cat
That
doesn't
cat
say.
food!
My cat
That
doesn't
cat
say
food!
Morgan.
That cat food you feed me is cancer!
Everyone's telling me to kill him.
I love you, Tom. Please don't kill me.
Stop running around me! What are you doing? It's freaking me out, bro.
He's a cat.
I follow you around the house.
He's got a gun now. He's hiding.
Take him out.
Everything is good.
Take him out. Take him out. Take him out. Take him out. Take him out.
Oh!
Sorry, Ron's kind of an asshole. I can't trust you.
He was gonna bite sooner or later.
Yeah, he was gonna bite. I know he was.
Alright, let's go.
I need a vet. I need a vet.
That's too good.
Okay, you're funny. I just love video games so much.